Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own personalized Etsy tote bag. In recent times, a delightful trend has taken the online shopping world by storm. Etsy tote bags have surged in popularity, becoming more than just a simple accessory. They're a statement, a versatile companion, and a canvas for personal expression all rolled into one. Diving into the heart of this phenomenon, we find an interesting mix of factors at play. The rise of the environmentally conscious consumer has fueled a demand for reusable shopping alternatives, and Etsy tote bags have stepped up to the plate. Their sturdy design, combined with the charm of customized artwork and text, makes them an attractive choice for the modern shopper. But the appeal of these tote bags goes beyond their environmental friendliness. The incredible range of designs and personalization options available on Etsy has turned the humble tote bag into a canvas for creativity. From monogrammed initials to bespoke artwork, there's a tote bag out there for every taste and style. One shining example comes from a listing of bridesmaid tote bags. Available in 6 chic colors and adorned with gold zippers and accessories, these bags can be personalized with names, initials, or even wedding dates. The seller's attention to detail, combined with their dedication to customer service, has earned them rave reviews and a loyal customer base. The success stories don't stop there. Take Cassie Johnson, for instance, who has turned her print-on-demand business into a thriving venture. Despite facing several hardships, Johnson found success selling t-shirt designs on Etsy, and her journey serves as an inspiration for many. To sum up, the surge in popularity of Etsy tote bags can be attributed to a combination of factors. The rising environmental consciousness, the desire for personalized products, and the sheer creativity and dedication of Etsy sellers have all played a part in making these tote bags a hot commodity. As we move forward, it'll be interesting to see how this trend evolves and continues to shape the world of online shopping. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Etsy tote bag phenomenon. If you're inspired to get your own, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Happy shopping! And remember, every purchase you make is not just a transaction, but a show of support for the creativity and dedication of these talented Etsy sellers. And finally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into online shopping trends.